There were a few problems during the time we made this innovation. We found that student attitude ignorant recycling practice. The lack of the knowledge among society today who throw away recyclable material and they are not aware of the importance of recycling. We found that there are several areas in the school that are important with paper and food plastic, causing it to spoil the view and make it uncomfortable to breathe.
Arisha, are you comfortable studying in a dirty environment?
No, because a dirty environment makes me uncomfortable. Why are you asking that?
I'm asking that because our environment is very dirty, with garbage scattered everywhere, and giving off unpleasant smells.
I also feel the same way.
I think this is one of the factors why our exam grade falls.
I think we need to find a way to solve this problem.
Yes,
Among the way we can do this by adding a piezoelectric sensor to the bottom of the trash can so that every time a student throws trash into the trash can, the piezoelectric sensor will store enough energy with the weight of the trash. So when electric water of the piezoelectric sensor full, we can do various useful things and can save petroleum energy. When the water full, we can ask it to turn on the light, charge the phone, and so on. This can create a clean school and atmosphere. Material for our product are like rubbish bin, butter cap, piezoelectric, glass, wooden board, lead, 1K ohm, 47 capacitor, and 1 N4007. This is a design that has not yet been in our life and is very useful to other users. Where when garbage is thrown into the trash can, the garbage will come into contact with the glass and the piezoelectric stores energy.